EV and ESS Expo, 28th to 30th of April 2022 Chennai Trade Center.
Hi, my name is Jagdish Kumar Rajangam, and the business head of Reap Industries of Private Limited. Actually, this Reap Industries, the parent company of from Power Gear, is almost a 40 years old company in the Indian manufacturing industry. Okay, so this Reap Industries we have started up in 2016. Okay, now we are having a very strong market in this south. Okay, we are having the product, the variant into the two categories. Okay, into the L3 and L5. In both we are having a passenger and a loader in both the models L3 and L5. Normally our products is what it can be for the commercial segment and as well as the passenger segment. We have the product variant into the L3 and L5 categories in both of loader and passengers, and our product is we are the manufacturer. Okay, and all our product is ARI and CRT certified. Okay, and now we are very strong into the south market. We are looking to expansion in the future of east, north, and the western part. Okay. Basically, the EV is the future because normally the fuel prices is gone high. Okay, the customers we are expecting to reduce the commercial cost. So the EV is the future. So we came into the market on the right time. Okay, and compared to the competition, okay, we are done a benchmark with our product, and we have a certain expansion, and we are concentrating on marketing activities. So we have participated in Chennai Expo, and we are getting a very good footfalls. And in terms of the quality of the footfall is very good over here. It can be helpful for our real business structure into the forthcoming financial years.